In this video, I'll show you how to add a subdomain in Hostinger. First, it helps to know that Hostinger supports more than one way to add a subdomain, depending on how your website is hosted. Hostinger says you can create a subdomain directly inside hPanel when the main domain is hosted at Hostinger as a PHP or HTML website, WordPress site, or Node.js application. Hostinger also says this direct method is not supported for websites built with Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons in the same way. If your main website is hosted normally at Hostinger, log into hPanel, go to Websites, find the website connected to your main domain, and click Dashboard. From the left sidebar, open Domains, then Subdomains. Hostinger says this is the standard path for creating a subdomain on an existing hosted website. Next, enter the subdomain name you want, like blog, shop, or store. Hostinger says you can usually keep the default directory, or change it if needed, and then click Create. After that, Hostinger creates the subdomain as a subfolder inside your website's main directory using the same subdomain name. Now let's talk about DNS, because this part matters. Hostinger says if your main domain already uses Hostinger nameservers, the DNS setup for the subdomain is handled automatically, and the subdomain should become available after a short wait. But if your main domain uses external nameservers like Cloudflare or another DNS provider, then you need to add the DNS record manually at that provider. For standard hosted websites on Hostinger, Hostinger says you usually add an A record for the subdomain pointing to your hosting plan's IP address. If you're using Hostinger Website Builder, the setup is a little different. Hostinger says you create or connect the Website Builder site to the subdomain, and if the domain uses external nameservers, you should add a CNAME record that points to connect.hostinger.com. Hostinger also notes that only first-level subdomains are supported for Website Builder, so something like store.domain.com works, but a second-level version like shop.store.domain.com is not supported there. So the simple version is this. Open hPanel, go to your website dashboard, find subdomains, create the new subdomain, and then make sure the DNS is correct based on whether your nameservers are with Hostinger or somewhere else. After that, test the subdomain in your browser and give it time to go live if the DNS is still updating. Hostinger says DNS changes can take some time to propagate fully. That's how to add a subdomain in Hostinger. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.